Hello folks from another beach location in Stockholm. This is Hökarängsbadet, located in the south part of Stockholm, close to the neighborhoods of Rondal and Farsta and Hökarängen, obviously. But it is practically closer to Farsta than Hökarängen, if I'm being honest. And we are in the middle month of April, 15th of April. So yeah, this is beach number 14, and this is a beach that I have visited several times before. I think last year only once, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. I have already checked the temperature in the lake Drevviken. It was 3 degrees Celsius, so a bit chillier today, but the sun makes things better, and it's gonna be sunny all day today. This beach is only located 6.5 kilometers from my home, and it takes me less than 15 minutes to reach here with my bicycle, so it's very convenient for a quick swim, combined by either by run or by bicycle. And they have also renovated the jetty recently. As last time I was here, it was still the old one, and the last time I was here was actually for ice skating, because everything was frozen here, and it was a huge ice skating natural track on this natural lake, so it was quite nice. So yes, we are continuing with the beach adventures despite the weather being a bit worse now this week. I heard there's gonna be some snow tomorrow, but not significant amount of it, so that's at least good because I have already packed my winter wear in the storage. So let's see, I'm really hopeful that it will the spring will make a big return. As soon as also summer coming up. So yeah, let's then proceed with the dip for today. And yeah, it feels still very good to be doing the beach adventures for this time in April. I'm already on the 14th beach adventure, and yeah, before I go in, I'm gonna show you also more from the beach. And there are many people also here running. It's very good tracks here. There is also the sandy part of the beach, and there is even a rocky part, including jetty, so, and a huge grass area as well. So all right, then let's go in for a quick swim dip on this Monday. It feels a bit cold on my legs. 3 degrees is still a bit challenging, and I hope that the sun will come up again. But yeah, it's chilly. It's chilly. And yes, the sun will make a return, as you see in the distance. So I'm waiting just for the sun to be there when I go out. So yeah, anyway, I can't wait any longer, so let's go in anyway. So we are diving in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Whew. It was quite deep over here. I wasn't expecting it to be deep because it's only like 20 meters from the shore, but I made it once again, as usual, without any doubt. And the sun is back now, so I can enjoy a bit more out. So thank you so much for watching this episode for Hökarängsbadet, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.